Hi everyone, it's Paul down here at Ccrv. As per usual, it's muck and bullets down here. We're getting stuck in with these fifth wheels. We got some customers here. They bought a Rockwood off us a while ago, and what they've done, I think they've sighted it. They will. I'm going to try and blag them for an interview here, but they've seen me with the camera here, all the lads up the back here, you see, so they'll start running now. So anyway, they bought a Rockwood off of us, and I think they sighted it in the New Forest, and they're using it as a holiday home, something like that, which they're ideal for. And what they've done is bought one of these little GoPro things, just to get them around and about, as they go to different sites and different places. And we're doing a few modifications. I'll show you what we're doing, if we can find anyone here. Let's have a look. Right, this is Pete, our engineer. This is a well-equipped workshop here. As you can see, you pretty much do any job here. But what they're doing, they've modified the holder for the gas here, which is like hanging off the side. Well, it's quite dangerous, and they've relocated the battery box. But this is one of these little GoPros. As I say, they're pretty tiny, like a bit of a shoebox on wheels, really. I think by the looks of it, they've gone out. Right, let's have a look what's going on in here. Hold on. They've gone out, have they?
Yeah.
Well, how long will they be, you reckon?
Not sure.
Well, you never lay down there, Pete. You on a pillar?
I thought we'd have a nap on the job. I thought you were the other side of the field, I was safe.
See, they think I'm hiding up somewhere, and he's really having a sleep in here. Dave, I reckon Dave's come to join him. So what we got down here? What we got down there? We've got the pump, have we? Is it knackered?
Yep.
Yeah, well, it's got power to it,
So what we think they're doing?
yeah.
What about one of them yellow tapers ones? Because that ain't very tight on there.
So what we do is folks come back. These are existing customers, and I will get them when they come back. And they just bring their vans down for a service or something like that and check it out. And we like them to come back. And any of our customers that are watching, if you want to pop by for a couple of days on your way through, you're quite welcome. That's how we do it, really. So we've got a few people staying here now. Just getting one of the second-hand ones that we've sold back on the pitch there, get it tested out for the customers to come down and have a stay with us. I think they come in Friday and Saturday, something like that. And then we get them to stay in it, check everything's okay, and then off they go. We'll deliver it. So, right, at the minute we're doing this Rockwood over here. What we're doing is just sort of standard yearly service. So we've got Dave's fitting a new handbrake on there, because the other one basically rusted up. The guy lives in Scotland, so basically salty roads, I suppose, that ended up like that. A bit rusted up, so we stuck a new one on there with Dave. James is wandering around again.
Yeah.
Looking lost. Looking lost. And Pete is under here doing some cables. You alright there, Pete?
Hello?
Yeah, so we're servicing it and what have you under here. So you get a little bit rusty. I think it's where they are in Scotland. It's fairly salt on the roads and stuff like that. You know, it's like up there, plenty of snow. So that's basically a service. This is what we're doing. We just check all the seals, silicon seals and stuff like that, and then we put some new backlights on it and just generally give the whole thing a good look over, really, so we don't get any surprises. You see, there's a ratchet pinion there. This is the main cog here, but you've got to grease that, because if they seize up, it's a pain in the arse. And then the back legs, again, we'll grease up all the threads in there. They look not too bad, actually, so we'll give them a grease up, and then we shouldn't be too bad. So we just wait for them to come back and see if we can have a chat where they've been. Right, folks, I'm down here with Gary and Kate. They've come back from walking the dogs. Just going to have a chat, really. They've got an 8289, 8289 is it?
2889.
Yeah, 2889. And I say they bought a little R-pod here, just as a sort of travel around, something different to do. So there's welcome to Gary and welcome to Kate.
Hi.
And the dogs are in there. Look,
Well, one's here, yeah.
playing up usually. Right, so how long you had your fifth wheel?
This is coming up to the 3rd year now.
About 3 years.
So we've been mainly operating in the UK,
Yeah.
as far down as Somerset in the southwest. and as far up as Edinburgh in the north, and anywhere.
So you've been all over the place.
I've been a few places.
Yeah. How many miles you reckon you've done?
Oh, probably about 5,000 in total.
What have you towed them with? The Ranger?
Yeah, Ford Ranger.
That one in the background.
Uprated for a GTM of 7 tonnes by Ccrv, of course.
Yeah. I remember we did an interview before.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, and all the rest of it, I don't know if the folks have watched that one, but that was quite an interesting video of their sort of, when that was the first sort of year you'd had it, wasn't it? Really?
Yeah, that's right.
So we did that. So what's the plan from now?
The plan is for the rest of this year, we are currently down in the New Forest, at Ccrv, of course. But we're down in the New Forest. We'll be down there until the end of September. Then we bring our Rockwood back here for you guys to service it.
Give it another, give it a service.
Give it a annual service.
Yeah.
And then the plan currently is to get on the old Le Shuttle down at Folkestone and then clear off to France for 3 months.
Oh, neat!
And then we'll come back and we'll work it out from there.
Right. So tell the folks what gave you the opportunity to be able to have a year off.
Yeah. So Kate and I were actually thinking about what the future was holding. Kate was a nurse in the NHS for most of her working life. 2 years off from retirement, having gone through COVID and everything else, she decided she couldn't do that anymore. I throttled back. We'd already had the fifth wheel, so we decided that basically we'd stop work and we'd just go off and enjoy ourselves.
So how did you afford to do it? With your house, did you rent it out or did you just leave it? Or?
No, we still have a house, but the house is indeed rented out through Airbnb and Booking.com.
Did that work out well?
And it seems to be holding its own. And it's doing quite well, and it's earning its own keep.
So that's all, its own keep. That's the best bet.
That's
so
right.
all the bills. So you've kept your house, and that's allowed you to do your travels.
Absolutely.
Fairly, worry sort of free.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah,
pretty much.
Yeah,
we're deciding what to do next in the next few years with the house. We love the fifth wheel life and being out on the road, and so the future might be where we actually sell the house. And basically, life rocks when your home rolls, I think.
Right, Gary, and you, Kate, be totally honest. I haven't primed them, bribed them, or done anything. Right? Have you had any problems with your Rockwood?
Nothing I wouldn't have expected.
No,
to be honest.
Fair wear and tear and operator error.
Yeah, no major problems. It's done everything we've asked it to do. The key is maintenance. If you don't maintain it, then bits will fall off.
Yeah.
But that's like your house, that's like your car, that's like anything else.
In general, it's been pretty good.
Yeah, it's been
happy with it. Well, you must be happy. You wouldn't have come back.
Exactly, precisely.
So you keep coming back one way or the other. Yeah. And you brought the little old R-Pod for us to do some mods on for you.
Yeah.
So there you go, folks. Gary and Kate, really happy with their purchase. Thanks a lot for doing a little interview. People like to see this. It's always a bit frightening. I'm going to get Mark and Paula up there, but they run every time I get it out. Yeah. So thanks for watching, folks. I think we might round this one up on this note, and I'll do Mark and Paula another time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Big thanks from Ccrv from you two as well.
Bye, everyone.
All right.
Bye.
Wonderful.